Hello geeks, welcome to College Coder. So in this video I am going to solve C++ related error. So I already typed the C++ code here in Visual Studio Code. So first of all we will run this code and see the error, what is error occur. So you can see this error G++, the term is not recognized as the name of the cmdlet function, like that. Okay guys, so don't worry, I will provide the solution in this video. So first of all we will minimize this VS Code and open the CMD using Windows plus R key and type here CMD, then enter. After that maximize this and zoom it, then you type here G++ hyphen version. Okay, then enter. So you can see this error G++ is not recognized as an internal external command, operable program or batch file. Okay guys, so how to solve this error? So close this prompt and then search here environment variables. So type here environment and then click on the first option, then click on the environment variables, then click on the path, then choose edit, then click on the new. Okay, then find those directory where we did downloaded the minjw file. Okay, so search here this PC and my computer, this PC. Okay, then enter. Then after that guys, go to Windows C. So in my device I downloaded the minjw file in under the Windows C. You can see here minjw, but in your case maybe you did download it in program files. So open the program files and search here minjw. Yeah, in another case maybe you downloaded minjw under the program files 86. So click on this and find here minjw. Okay, then open the minjw file. So in my case I already downloaded and install under the Windows C file. Okay, so I will click on the minjw, then click on the bin folder, then click on the path here and copy this path. Okay, then go to system properties here, environment variables, then click on the new and paste here. Okay, then okay, 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 then close this, then refresh and open CMD again using Windows plus R and type here CMD, then enter. Then zoom it again and type G++ version, then enter. So you can see here minjw version 6.3.0. Okay, you can read here G++ in bracket minjw.org gcc 6.3.01. Okay, this is the version of G++. Okay, then close this and go to Visual Studio, then again run this program. So click on the run icon. So you can see again this error occur. So close this VS Code and again open the VS Code, open with VS Code. So run this code again, click on the run icon. So guys, you can see the output here in terminal 120. Okay, so you can see guys our error is completely solved related to C++. So currently our error is solved. So follow this step, you can resolve the C++ rated error. G++ is not recognized rated error. So that's all about the today video. So if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe to College Coders and click on the bell icon for further video notification. Thanks for watching guys.